Mathematics Class 12 Chapter 7 Integrals Exercise 7.4 Question number 18 Integral 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square ds. This is of the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c ds. And for this we write numerator equal to a differential of the denominator plus b. Here I have written px plus q is equal to a differential of the denominator plus b. A and b are constant and we have to find comparing the coefficient of x and the constant term. So I will use this for here. So 5x minus 2 equal to a differential of denominator, that is 1 plus 2x plus ax square plus b. So I first differentiate. Differential of 1 with respect to x is 0, 2x is 2 and 3x square 6x plus b. Multiply a inside, so a into 2 2a, a into 6 6ax plus b. So let us write in order. This is 6ax here plus 2a plus b. Now this side is 5x minus 2. I have to compare the coefficient of x and the constant term. So here coefficient of x is 5. Okay, I'll write down here so it is easy to compare. Here I'll write this 5x minus 2. So I will compare the coefficient of x and the constant term. So here x coefficient, this side is 6x and this side is 5. So I am comparing 6x equal to 5. And this side the constant terms are 2a plus b and here it is 2. So I'll compare here 2a plus b equal to, minus 2. Okay, here minus also is there, you have to consider that. So 2a plus b equal to minus 2. So I have to compare and solve for a and b. So this side directly you get 6 to transfer, so you get a is equal to 5 by 6. And here put the value of a 5 by 6. So cut by 2, so 5 by 3. Transfer here minus 2 is there, so you transfer becomes minus 5 by 3. Take LCM, so minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 by 3. So got the value of a 5 by 6 and b minus 11 by 3. Now we'll put this a value here and b value here. Okay, and this value will be placed instead of the numerator here. Okay, so instead of numerator I'll put this value plus I'll put the value of a 5 by 6 and b minus 11 by 3. I have put here I is equal to, first I have written the integral. I is equal to integral 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. And here I, as we have done there, a is equal to d by dx 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus b. Put the value of a, that is 5 by 6, and this b value is minus 11 by 3. And I am also differentiating. This derivative is 2 plus 6x. Now I'll separate the denominator with the numerator. Okay, both these. So this divided by this plus this divided by this. So here 5 by 6 I'll take out of the integral. So here I'll take out of the integral. So integral 2 plus 6x divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx equal plus this minus 11 by 3 also out of integral 1 and this denominator. But I am writing this in the order. So 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Then here I'll take denominator as t. So I'll take this as t. Then when you take the differential, so 3x square gives you 6x, 2x gives you 2, dx equal to dt. So this is the numerator, and numerator we have got by differentiating. So actually it will come, but since we use the proper method, so we will use taking t as the denominator. Okay, so I'm using this, and this value I'll put as a dt. Okay, and this you'll put as a t. Then here I have to make the perfect square. Okay, so to make perfect square, first coefficient of x square has to be 1. So I'll divide by 3 or I'll take 3 common. So when I take 3 common, here remains x square, here 2 by 3, here 1 by 3. I have written here, and in minus 11 by 3 is here, so 3 I multiply here, here divide by 3, so here x square, here 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Okay, then here integral of 1 by t is log t, and this 5 by 6 as it is, plus 11 minus 11 by 3 into 3 9. This I have to make perfect square. So for that I have to take the x square as it is. Okay, I am writing x square as it is, 2 by 3 x also as it is. I have to take the coefficient of x, that is 2 by 3. Okay, and divide by 2. So 2 2 so you get 1 by 3. Okay, so see what I have done is I am taking the coefficient of x. Okay, we have done in the last time the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. So take 2 by 3 out. Divide by the coefficient of x, divide by 2. So 2 into. Okay, take the coefficient of x, that is 2 by 3. Divide by 2. So 2 2 so you get 1 by 3. So square of this you have to add and square of this you have to minus. So I am adding first, plus 1 by 3 whole square and minus square of this, that is 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9. And this 1 by 3 as it is. So 1 by 3 I have just brought down as it is, this 1 by 3, okay, plus 1 by 3, and this 1 by 3 I am adding and minusing, okay. This is because of 1 by 3 square I am adding and minusing, okay. So that is to make this one as a perfect square. Now here this one remains as it is, this plus into minus minus 11 by 9, this one, and this one, as I said before, this x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 square, this is the perfect square of the x plus 1 by 3 whole square. From here I am taking minus common and I am making the LCM. So LCM is 9, so I need to multiply here 3. So here if I take minus common, here 1 minus 3, so 1 minus 3 by 9 dx, okay. So now this is as it is, this is as it is, this is as it is. Minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2 by 9, minus and minus plus, so plus, and 2 can be written as root 2 square and 9 can be written as 3, so root 2 by 3 whole square, and this is as it is. Now put the value of t here. T you have taken as 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to t, so I put the value of t, and here I am going to use the identity or formula integral dx divided by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here x equal to x plus 1 by 3 and a equal to root 2 by 3, okay, root 2 by 3. So here this 11 by 9 remains into 1 by a, so 1 by a is root 2 by 3, so root 2 by 3, then tan inverse x by, so tan inverse x is this one, x plus 1 by 3, so x plus 1 by 3 divided by a, that is root 2 by 3. Here I am taking LCM, so 3x plus 1 divided by root 2, okay, and 3 will cut, this denominator will cut after taking LCM, okay, not before. So 3x plus 1 divided by 3, and that divided by 3 will cut with this denominator, so remains root 2 here, okay. And here I cut by 3, so I get 3 root 2. So what I get, the answer is 5 by 6 log modulus of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 into 1 11, 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 root divided by root 2 plus c. So that is the answer for question number 18. Question number 19. Integral 6x plus 7 divided by square root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. This also we are going to use the same method. But first I will make this as a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so I will multiply this. So 6x plus 7 dx divided by x into x square, x into 4 minus 4x, 5 into x is minus 5, minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20. Okay, minus 5 plus 5, minus 4 plus 5 gives you minus 9, numerator as it is, so x square minus 9x plus 20. Now again I will take numerator equal to a d by dx of the denominator plus b. Okay, so here numerator is 6x plus 7 equal to a, the differential of the denominator plus b. So I will differentiate this, so derivative of x square is 2x and 9x minus 9x is minus 9 plus 20 is 0. This plus b and this. Now compare the coefficient. First I open the bracket, so 2ax minus 9a plus b. Here I have written 2ax minus 9a plus b. Now comparing coefficients of x and constant term. So here it is 2a, here it is 6. So 2a equal to 6. Transfer 2 here, cut by 2, so you get 6 by 2 gives you 3. So a value is 3. And constant term is this minus 9a plus b equal to here 7. So minus 9a plus b equal to 7. A value from here you put 3. So 9 into 7 is 27, minus 27 plus b equal to 7. Minus 27 transfer here becomes plus. Okay, and when you add up you get 34. So you get b value as 34 and a value as 3. So both the values you found. Now we'll put in this, and this will be instead of numerator. Okay, instead of numerator we'll put this value, and here we'll put the value of a and b, and I'll differentiate this. So I is equal to integral 6x plus 7 dx divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20, and here I put a d by dx of the denominator plus b divided by denominator as it is. Now put the value of a and b, that is 3. Also I am differentiating this, that gives you 2x minus 9, and b value is 34, denominator as it is. Now I'll divide the denominator, this term also by denominator, this term also. I'll separate the denominator. So integral 3, also integral you separate. So 3 2x minus 9 divided by this dx plus integral 34 dx divided by same thing, square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Now for this I'll take denominator as t. Okay, so square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to t. Square both the side. I have told you when square root is there, square first then differentiate. So I square root cut, here comes t square. Then differentiate, x square is 2x and minus 9 dx equal to 2t dt. Okay, so now we'll put here 3, I'll keep here 2, this one 2x minus 9 dx, that is 2x minus 9 is equal to 2t dt. So 2t dt, and this you are taking as t, so put as t, plus this 34 as it is, and this we have to make perfect square. Okay, so x square as it is minus 9x as it is. 9 you have to divide by 2, so 9 by 2 you cannot cut, so 9 by 2 square, add and minus. So 9 by 2 whole square, adding, plusing, then minusing 9 by 2 whole square, and this plus 20 I bring as it is. So this will become perfect square, and this I will simplify. Okay, so this one tt cut, 2 into 3 6, so 6 take out of the integral, so 6 integral dt plus 34 I am just taking out of the integral dx, and as I said this is perfect square, so x minus 9 by 2 whole square, and this 9 by 2 means 9 square is 81 divided by 4 plus 20, and this is negative. Okay, and I am taking here as LCM, so 20 into 4 gives you 80, and that is positive, so I am just writing plus, and this minus 81 here divided by 4. Okay, this is as it is, this is as it is. Integral of dt is t. Okay, and t value I am placing back. We have taken as square root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, so I am putting back here, plus this 34, and this can be written as, this is as it is, minus 81 plus 80 gives you minus 1 by 4. Okay, this 4 is there, and this can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. This is as it is, and this is also already I have substituted. Now this is of the form this integral dx divided by square root of x square minus a square, which gives you log x plus square root of x square minus a. Here x is x minus 9 by 2 and a is 1 by 2. Okay, so we just put the value, this is as it is. Okay, 34 as it is. This answer is using this log. Instead of x you write x minus 9 by 2 plus square root of, actually this square root we have found from here. Okay, see, we have found this square root of x minus 9 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2, we have simplified from here. Okay, so that is nothing but the given question, so I will put that value back, x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, because that is what we have simplified and got into this form. Okay, this form because we have to compare with the standard formula. To use the standard formula only we are simplifying, so at the end we can put back what was the original. So I put x square minus 9x plus 20. Okay, so that is the answer for question number 19. Next is question number 20. Integral x plus 2 divided by square root of 4x minus x square dx. Here also same thing, take the numerator equal to a into differential of denominator plus b. Okay, so the numerator is x plus 2 equal to a, differential of denominator, that is this 4x minus x square plus b. So first differential, 4x derivative is 4, x square is 2x plus b. Multiply inside, so 4a minus 2ax plus b. Now compare the coefficients of x and standard and the constant term. Okay, so here coefficient of this side is minus 2a and this side coefficient of x is 1. So here minus 2a equal to 1. Minus 2 transfer here, so a is equal to minus 1 by 2 value. Okay, and this side constant is 4a plus b, and here is 2, so 4a plus b equal to 2. Put the value of a minus 1 by 2, so I put 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus b, cut by 2, so you get here minus 2, that minus you transfer here plus 2, which gives you 4, 2 plus 2 4, so b value is 4. So a value is minus 1 by 2 and b value is 4. We found both the values, a value minus 1 by 2 and b value as 4. Now both this value will place here instead of a and b, and this value will be put here instead of the numerator. So integral I is equal to x plus 2 dx divided by square root of 4x minus x square. So instead of this, equal to integral a d by dx of denominator plus b divided by square root of 4x minus x square dx. I'll differentiate this, so it is 4 minus 2x and a value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, and I'm separating also, and denominator as it is, then plus b value is 4 and this denominator. This denominator I am interchanging because I have to make a perfect square. For that I need x square first, so minus x square plus 4. Okay, and for this part you take denominator as t, so square root of 4x minus x square equal to t, square it, after squaring differentiate, so you get t square 2t dt. So 4 minus 2x dx, that is this numerator you will put as 2t dt. Okay, so I have put here this 1 minus 1 by 2 taking out of the integral 2t dt. Why? Because 4 minus 2x dx, that is 4 minus 2x dx equal to 2t dt. So put here, and this you are this denominator you have taken as t, so t, plus here 4 integral 4, and here taking minus common, so minus x square minus 4x. Okay, and then after that I'll make the perfect square. This one dt कर 2 कर, so minus integral dt plus 4, taking minus common, already I have taken x square minus 4x plus I will take, if I take coefficient of x and divide by 2, so 4 divided by 2 gives you 2, so I'll add 2 square minus 2 square. So this is a perfect square of x minus 2 whole square, and this is 2 square. Okay, now multiply inside minus, and this integral gives you minus t. So minus t is here, plus 4. I'm multiplying inside and interchanging. So this becomes negative, this becomes positive. So this positive written first and negative later. Okay, and I'm going to use the identity integral dx divided by square root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x by a, and this is a is 2 and here x is x minus 2. Okay, so here t value I am putting back, t I have taken as square root of 4x minus x square, so I put here, negative is there, plus 4, and this is sine inverse x, x is x minus 2 and a is 2 plus c. So that is the answer for question number 20. Question number 21. Integral x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. This also same way. Numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. So here x plus 2 equal to a, d by dx of denominator, that is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus b. Differentiate this, so x square is 2x, 2x is 2 plus b. Multiply inside, so 2ax, 2 into a plus b. Compare the coefficient of x and constant term. Here coefficient of x is 2a and here is 1. So 2a plus equal to 1. And this side is 2a plus b equal to 2. 2 transfer, so a is equal to 1 by 2. Put the value of a here. So 1 by 2 if you put, 2 2 cut, so remains only 1. This one you transfer here becomes minus 1. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. So a value is 1 by 2 and b value is 1. Okay, now we'll put this value instead of a and b, and this value will be placed instead of the numerator. Okay, so I put here I is equal to integral x plus 2 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. This value is 1 by 2. I am already differentiating and putting, okay, this value. Here I am putting value and placing that 2x plus 2 plus b value as 1. Divide by the denominator as it is. Now we'll separate the denominator with this and this. So this divided by this plus this divided by this. So I have written here. Okay, and this 1 by 2 I am taking out of the integral. For this I will take denominator as t. Square root you are taking, take a square and cancel square root and then differentiate. So this derivative is 2x plus 2 dx equal to 2t dt. So this 2x plus 2 dt dx will give you 2t dt. Okay, so I put here, see this 1 by 2 as it is, and 2x plus 2 dx 2t dt, and this you are taking as t. So divide by t plus here I am making perfect square, so I know if I take from here 1, this will become perfect square, or you can divide 2 by 2 which gives you 2 by 2 which gives you 1, so you add 1 minus 1. So instead of that I have got 3, so I'll divide 3 into 1 plus 2. Okay, so I get this 1 up to here will give you the perfect square. Okay, the first 3 terms, this one, this will be perfect square, and this 2 plus 1 gives you 3, so I don't need to add and minus, it will come directly. Okay, so I have not done here, but you can do if you want. Okay, it will be the same thing. So here this I have written as x plus 1 whole square plus 2 as a root 2 square. T cut, so you get here 2 also cut, so integral dt plus here integral of this I am using again the same form, so log x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. This is actually you have brought from here, okay, just like the previous one. So I just put the value back, and integral of dt is t, and t value put back this one, square root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so put value plus this is as it is, so this is plus c you have to put. This is the answer for question number 21. Question number 22. Integral x plus 3 divided by x square plus minus 2x plus 5 ds. Here also put numerator, that is x plus 3 equal to a, differential of the denominator, that is x square minus 2x plus 5 plus b. Differentiate, derivative of this is 2x minus 2 plus b. Multiply inside, so 2ax minus 2a plus b. Compare the coefficient of x and constant term. Here this side is 2a and this side coefficient of x is 1, so 2a equal to 1, transfer 2, so a is equal to 1 by 2. And here constant term is minus 2a plus b, and here 3. So minus 2a plus b equal to 3, put the value of a which is 1 by 2. Okay, so you put 1 by 2, so 2 took us, so remains minus 1, transfer here plus 1, 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So b value is 4, a value is 1. Take the integral I is equal to x plus 3, x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. Okay, put the value instead of x plus 3, we can put this one, a 2x minus 2 plus b, and a value is 1 by 2 and b value is 4. So I have directly put here 1 by 2 2x minus 2 plus 4. denominator as it is, separate the denominator with this and this. Okay, so this divide by this divide by this. So 1 by 2 integral 2x plus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx plus 4 integral 4 divided by the denominator as it is. Okay, here I'll take denominator as t, differentiate, you get 2x minus 2 dx equal to dt, that is the numerator. So dt, and this is t. And here I am going to make perfect square. So x square minus 2x plus 1. So this gives perfect square. So plus 1 came here. That means here should be minus, because minus 6 plus 1 gives you minus 5. Okay. So this is a perfect square of x minus 1. And this is integral of 1 by t, that is gives you log. Okay. So I have written here directly 1 by 2 log t plus 4 integral dx divided by x minus 1 whole square minus root 6 square. See here 6 na, I have to write in the square form, so I will write root 6 whole square. Okay, so I have written here this one, put the value of t, so log 1 by 2 log x square minus 2x minus 5, and this integral I am using the formula, this integral dx divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a. Okay, here x is x minus 1 and a is root 6. Okay, so 1 by 2a, so this 4 is as it is into 1 by 2, a is root 6 log x minus a, so x is this, so x minus 1 minus a minus root 6 divide by x minus 1 plus root 6. Okay, x plus a is root 6. This is the answer. I can cut here, so I have cut here, here remains 2 by root 6. So this is as it is, and this comes to be 2 by root 6, and this is as it is. So that is the answer for question number 22. Question number 23. Integral 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Here also I will use the same method. The numerator equal to a, differential I have written directly 2x plus 4 plus p. Multiply inside, compare the coefficient. When you compare to here, come here 2a, here 5. So which gives you a is equal to 5 by 2. And here constant is 4a plus b, here it is 3. So I have written here 4a plus b equal to 3. Put the value of a from here, 5 by 2. Cut, so 5 into 2 is 10. 10 transfer here, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 3 gives you minus 7. So a value is 5 by 2 and b value is minus 7. Okay, so put here in the integration I. I is equal to 5x plus 3 divided by square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. So instead of this, put the value of a also, b also, and this one. Okay, here I am putting a value is 5 by 6, 2x plus 4 and minus 7 divided by denominator. Separate the denominator with this and with this. So I have separated here 5 by 2 integral 2x plus 4 divided by the denominator minus 7 out of the integral dx divided by the denominator. Okay, and here denominator I am already making perfect square. 10 I can take 4 plus 6. Okay, and I can make this as a perfect square, x plus 2 whole square. Okay, x plus 2 whole square, and 6 I will write as a root 6 whole square. For this I will take denominator as t, square it. Okay, then differentiate, so 2x plus 4dx equal to 2t dt. Okay, so 2t dt divided by t, t cut, 2 cut, so here remains 5 integral dt. And this, as I said, is perfect square of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 square. Okay, so this one we will use the identity, this one, integral dx divided by square root of x square plus a square gives you log x plus x square plus a square plus c. Here instead of x it is x plus 2, and instead of a it is root 6. Okay, and this derivative is t, 7 log, instead of x I put x plus 2 plus x square plus a square. So this same thing I am putting. Okay, and this is nothing but your this question. Okay, so lastly I'll put this value. So instead of this, next step I am putting the value that x square plus 4x plus 10, because this and these are similar. This is derived from here. Okay, put the value of t, 2 you have taken as this. Okay, so 5 into square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c. So that is the answer for question number 23. Choose correct answer in exercise 24 and 25. Question number 24. Integral dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 2. I'll make this perfect square. So what you have to do, take 2 out and divide by 2. So it will come 1. So I'll add 1 minus 1. But here I don't require. I'll just take 1 from here. So this I'll write as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and this one will give you the perfect square of x plus 1 whole square. So this I'll write as x plus 1 whole square plus 1. This one remains, which I can write 1 square. Now it is the form like this form. integral dx divided by x square plus a square, which is the answer is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Here a is 1 and x is x plus 1. So this one comes to be 1 by a, but 1 by 1, which gives you 1. So I do not need to write. Tan inverse x is x plus 1 divided by a, that is 1. So this plus c, and this gives you tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. The option B is the correct option. Okay, so here plus c is missing, just you write it plus c. Okay, that plus c is here missing, just write plus c. Okay, so that is missing. So option B is the correct option. Question number 25. Here also you have to select the right option. Integral dx divided by square root of 9x minus 4x square. So here I am rearranging. Okay, the order I am changing. So minus 4x square plus 9x. I'll take minus 4 common. So minus 4x square. Here when I take, I'll divide by 9 by 4. Okay, I have not written one step. Just you can write like this. Here one step I have just missed. Dx divide by, if you take minus 4 common, what you get it x square, minus plus will become minus 9x. Okay, and then I'm going to make the perfect square. Okay, so how you make the perfect square? See, minus 4 is here, x square is here. You have to take coefficient of 9, and then 9 coefficient, sorry, you divide by 4 also. No, I forgot, 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 coefficient of x you divide by 2. Okay, so when you divide here you cannot cut, so you get it 9 by 8. So this term you have square of this term, you have to add and minus. Okay, see I have minus this one, x square as it is, minus 9 by 4x. Why this 9 by 4? Because 4 I am taking common, so it will be 9 by 4. Just think that you multiply inside, then you will get 9x as it is. Okay, now plus I will add 9 by 8 whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. We are adding, so you have to minus. Okay, this is why we are doing because we want to make this perfect square. Okay, how did you make perfect square? You take the coefficient of x, that is 9 by 4, and divide by 2. Okay, something here, and then here you cannot cut, so you get 2 into 4 8. So just keep it 9 by 8, and square of that you have to add first and then minus. Now this is a perfect square. You can say this is a square minus twice ab plus b square. So this is my a, this is my b. So this will be written as x minus 9 by 8 whole square. Here there is no another constant term, so I just keep it as it is, 9 by 8 whole square. Okay, and then I'll multiply this 4, I'll take out of the square root, it comes 2, so 1 by 2, and this minus I'll multiply, so this will become negative and this will become positive. Okay, this will become negative, this will become positive, so I'll interchange. I'll write 9 by 8 first, which is positive now, after multiplying this negative, and this will become negative, I am writing second, minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. Okay, and this I will compare with this is the formula. Integral dx divided by a square minus x square. See, this is a square and this x is there, so this term you call it as a x square, equal to, this answer is sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so here a is 9 by 8 and x is x minus 9 by 8. So I use this identity. Okay, this one, so 1 by 2 sin inverse, this 1 by 2 is this one, sin inverse x by a. So x is x minus 9 by divided by a, that is 9 by 8. I take LCM here, so 8x minus 9, and the denominator for the numerator will cancel with this. So what you get is 1 by 2 sin inverse 8x minus 9 divided by 9 plus c. Okay, you cannot cut like this. So this is the answer, or this is the option number B. So that is the correct answer for question number 25. So we'll keep this much. Thank you very much.